If you want to hide literally any app on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G without any third-party apps, maybe for privacy reasons or to keep it away from others, and if you're using Xiaomi's HyperOS, let's find out the security app. Don't worry, it comes pre-installed on your Note 14. Just enter the app, scroll down, and under Common Features, just tap on Hide Apps. All your installed app will show up in this list. Whatever app you want to hide on your device, just toggle on their button. A pop-up will say how to find your hidden apps. Don't worry, I'm going to show you later in this video. Just tap on Got It. If you got a lot of apps, you can also manually search for that app in the search bar. And you can select as many apps you want. Apart from that, you can also tap on this wheel icon, and from here you can customize a couple of settings. Now, when you exit these settings, you'll find all your selected apps are hidden on your device. Even if you search for them, you will not find them. So to reuse them once again, you're gonna just pinch outwards on your screen, and there it is, all your hidden apps will show up in here. You can just enter and use any app right from here. You can use them as long as you want, and as soon as you get out of that app, it will be hidden once again. At some point, if you want to completely unhide them once again, you gotta go back to the Hide App Selection settings and simply toggle off this button. Your apps will once again show up on home screen and app drawer. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.